Expect mostly cloudy skies on Friday, cooler with spots of rain. Good Thursday night, East Tennessee. David Aldridge, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see most of the rain this evening hugging along the East Coast, but that is not severe. Most of it's slowing down in terms of the severe weather. Still some showers around parts of Illinois, but nothing here locally. Our high temperature came in at 64 degrees today. Well, what were you calling for? I was calling for 62. We actually got 2 degrees warmer than I expected, but it did match the normal high for this time of year. I also was expecting 30 to 35 mile an hour gusts, and we had a 37 mile an hour gust at 4:12 this afternoon. So it did turn breezy. Got up to 62 in Newport, 62 in Kingston, 62 in Middlesboro, but 65 in Oak Ridge and 63 in Tellico Plains. Scattered clouds at this moment, but we will expect more cloudiness to come in later tonight around Memphis. All that will swing in here by the time you wake up tomorrow. Headlines: more clouds late tonight. Mostly cloudy with spots of rain Friday, and early drops, mountain snowflakes possible on Saturday in the morning. Then it's mostly sunny, and I suspect the winds will pick up on Saturday, 40 to 45. Oh, that was gusty. Yeah, gusty, especially on Saturday as I see it now. Meanwhile, the radar shows all the little damage reports, the little circles up there across parts of Montana and the Dakotas. I want to zoom in a little bit areas to the east where we've seen some interesting observations. Take Roanoke, for example. They've had some hail. Looks like about maybe 0.3 inches. Let's see if that comes back there. There it is, 0.3 inches, a pea-size hail. And it begs the question, what size hail should it be? Because I hear all sorts of analogies, different descriptions. Well, you know, quarter size and higher is considered severe. But if it's pea size, if it's dime or penny size, or nickel, well, they say, well, it's just hail. It's not severe. But if it gets big, like a quarter of a George Washington quarter, or ping pong ball size, that's 1.5 inches, you say, well, that's pretty big. I wouldn't want to have that hit my car, much less the tennis ball or baseball size hail, which they sometimes get in places like Texas. But did you know there's no such thing as Skittle size? I had somebody say, I had Skittle size hail. I said, really? What's the size of a Skittle? Oh, it's about 0.4 inches if you lay it flat. Oh, so it's like less than a half inch. Yeah, okay, so no Skittle size, but it could be in between the pea and the dime. And if you're curious, the largest hail ever recorded in the U.S. occurred in 2010, July 23rd, in Vivian, South Dakota. It was 8 inches in diameter. So 8 inches, that'd be like twice the size of a softball. Yes, and it weighed just under 2 pounds. Imagine having that hit your car. That would not be a good sign there. But moving on, Futurecast shows things pretty quiet. We are not, I repeat, not expecting hail, but we are in severe weather season. March, April, May are famous, the notorious times where we get severe weather in some parts of the U.S. Now, there will be some spots of drizzle that spawned tomorrow by perhaps this trough as it leaves. Some of it shows up there as a little bit of model noise, but that's still a possibility through about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then it fades away, and this next front, based on some modeling, wants to bring in a few drops of rain, maybe a quick shower, even some snowflakes for the Smokies, although it doesn't show very much hope on this model, but there are models that still see it. So I suspect there's about 20% chance of it coming to pass. Sunday looks quiet, a lot warmer, maybe not warmer, but a lot brighter, and even on to Monday, where I think we'll find more in the way of clouds, with temperatures on Monday only reaching around 50. But then the warm front comes, and things change again later next week. So for tonight, 41 your low, more clouds late, seasonably cool, winds are slowing down about 5 to 10. We look ahead to tonight, 38 in Oneida. It's cold enough to see your breath in Crossville, 37, and 42 in Maryville, Alcoa about 40 in Morristown. Friday looks like this. We're looking for a high of 55 now, mostly cloudy, some spots of rain. It's cooler. Winds are going to be about 5 to 15, but could easily gust around 25 miles per hour. And if you're in around, say, Knoxville, 55. If you're, say, Tellico Plains, 56. Only about 49, however, in Fentress County in Jamestown tomorrow afternoon. So let's take a look at your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast. 55 tomorrow, 55 on Saturday, but there are those gusts. The winds come back. 40 to 45, and those early drops, mountain flakes will fade quickly if they occur at all. Sunday, mostly sunny, maybe a few mountain flurries or even up toward the Tri-Cities, and certainly up to West Virginia. But cooler, more clouds come in on Monday, and now we're talking spring fever. If not Tuesday at 73, certainly by Wednesday at 80, because I see some downpours coming back into play next Thursday. Now, you can keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate Weather app. Now with Pete Michaels Traffic. Weather and traffic, perfect together and at your fingertips. tips. Keep you and your family safe. Just search Captain Accurate at the App Store and Google Play. Well, my name is David Aldrich. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.